Scene 1, take 2. Scene 1, take 2. I've just done about 10 minutes of video and you didn't get to see any of it. Right, I'll have to try and remember what I was talking about now. I know what I'm showing you, or showed you. I've got my gimbal with me tonight. It's a cracking piece of kit. I got this to, I wanted something just a little bit smaller that I could put in a bag that I carry around with me, you see. I mean, I must admit, I do really like using the DSLRs again now, because the footage is so much better. This is filmed on the G7 at the moment. Obviously you don't get the focus issues with the GoPros, because everything's in focus because it's into infinity. But I really like this one. It's a cracking little gimbal, but it does pick up a little bit of motor noise, which is a bit of a bummer. But like I say, I've decided to start doing the audio separately, which is why I've got this little chap here. So you should be listening to the hopefully, if it's working, you should be listening to the audio, which is from this. It's only a cheap dictaphone. Like I say, I do have the H2, but I thought, thing is, that's it's a good recorder, but it's a little bit bulky to be in your pocket, the H2, which is what I've used up to now. But I just wanted something just a little bit smaller, so I'm trying this one. You can use the audio on the side and then tether it to your lapel mic or something like that. It does have a little bit of motor noise. It's more like just a hiss. You get more of a hiss. I don't know if you guys remember the heater in the van video I did, how I heat my van. When it was filming the heater, you might have heard a noise. You might have thought that was the heater, but actually it wasn't. It was the motors in this. But I've not really had much of a chance to try it out fully. I think I've only actually used this twice since I've had it. For some reason I was watching some videos and I thought I could really step it up if I start using the DSLR again. So I got out my G5. This is the G5, this one. I think I've got the best of all worlds now. Hopefully there's a lot more to come from this one. First impressions, I'm quite pleased with it. And I've got extra batteries for it as well, and it's easy to charge. Because I did find with the LAN part, even though the batteries never actually went flat on me while I was away, depending on how I was using them, potentially they could have. And I didn't have a 12-volt charger to charge the batteries on the LAN part. But that wasn't really a problem, because I do have an inverter in here, so I guess I could have just plugged it into that. But with these charge off USB. It's very convenient, and the batteries are quite easy to get hold of as well. So I'm pretty chuffed. So there might be a bit of B-roll after this, just of the inside of the van. We'll see how it goes. There we go, switch it off. Yes, I was hoping to do a better video for you guys tonight, but fortunately it didn't happen, because it's pouring with rain outside, and it's quite late now. It is 20 past 8, and I'd not long dropped a bike off, and I just come straight up here to do a stealth like I do on a Friday night. I try to go away most weeks if I can. It's just nice to get out, you know, when you're doing the same old routine every week. It's I love it in here. I really like my van. I can't help it, but I do. I just like it in here. And that's about all I can say, really. It's a nice place to be. So hopefully there'll be a lot more videos to come. Like I say, I was hoping to do more B-roll on this one, but the weather said otherwise, and it's dark as well. Maybe they'll have to be the night vision ones. Yes, if you're interested in one of those night visions, I'll try and remember to put it in the description down below. or Damon will have put it in the comments down below as well. Go over and have a look, because they are very good. Right, I'm going to make a cup of tea, and I think I'll read a book, and then I'll get off bed early. I've got to help somebody move house tomorrow. So I think I'm going to get an early night. So, love and light, guys. Thanks for watching the vid. Hope you have a great rest of the day. Have a great rest of the week. And see you next vid.